Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a bit of an unboxing video. I received this gift from my boyfriend on my 22nd birthday and I wanted to share because it is so cute. And here it is. So this is the makeup eye palette, but the packaging comes in like, ta-da! It comes in like this, a space, and there's like stars. So the theme is like bunny in a space, like a bunny in a space outfit but in a space, so it's actually really cute. So here is the box. It is so cute. There's like a moon. I actually really like the box, the packaging. There's like stars, moon, and then I think this is like the shooting stars or something. I'm not really sure, but it's from Perfect Diary and it's, you know, it's from my boyfriend, so I wanted to share with you guys. Oh my god, I think I'm having flu. I'm not like really sick, I just have flu, or maybe it's just really dusty inside. Okay, so put it like this, and then, whoops, ta-da! So you can see these are actually like mirrors, but I think you're supposed to like peel them off. And then there's like bunny suit going to the moon or going to space, but I think they're like technically about the same. So here there's like drawers, and they're like holographic kind of look. Yeah, you can see like the holographic, yeah, packaging. It is, whoops, it is really big and really nice, so if you want to give someone a very nice present, I think this is really nice as well. And okay, so to the eye palette. So the eye palette actually has like they actually have 10, is it 10? No, 12 colors. They have 12 colors, and my my personal favorite is this galaxy kind of. There's like stars and moon, like those glittery things. Yeah, I really like, whoops, I really like this one. It is so cute. And then the second one I like is this. There's a bunny ear. It's like all those tiny detail looks really good. And when I look at this palette, it just reminds me of like, oh, I just reached the space and there's dirt colors, so you know when you step down maybe there's dirt. So this kind of reminds me of that. This kind of reminds me of the time where you just steps down from the space, like the spaceship, and like how the floor looks like. It actually looks really nice. And then maybe there's like little part of sand that's glittery, and then these are maybe the like the space color, the galaxy, and maybe the sky, the moon, the stars. It really, this color palette really brings out the colors of the space and the moon. It's actually really nice. If you really like space kind of look, color, and you really want a space color, I think this is like a really nice palette. And honestly, I actually never know that my boyfriend could think of this palette, or honestly I just think he saw it really cute and then he just bought it. So next thing is the lipstick. Yeah, so the lipstick packaging for the lipstick is actually really nice. It has this really matte finishing on the cover. This really matte cover. And when I put it on my hand, it is like this. There's this red, and it's actually really nice to hold. I would actually use this, not say every day, but like if I want to spice my look and have a red lipstick, I wouldn't mind having this. It is so smooth, and okay, like the packaging wise, it's okay. It's not like the best, but I mean I've seen better. But this one, like the feeling when you hold it, it's like, it's so good. I really like it. So the next thing that you get in the box is this fluffy brush. It is so fluffy, it's so soft, It's so soft and I really like it. It's really soft and I've been wanting to have a brush like this, but I just, you know, didn't really want to go buy because, or maybe I'm just lazy to buy. So it came with this brush. Is wow. And this is the loose powder, so it actually fits perfectly on my hand, like, honestly. And I like the gold looking. It's like it's gold, but it's not really shining. It's like not that shining type of gold that would like hurt your eyes. It's like the perfect type of, like, I wouldn't say matte gold, but like I'm not so sure what shade of gold is this, but it doesn't hurt my eye and it's really nice to look at it. It's like that iPhone type of gold, the cover. Yeah, it's that type of color. I think the downside is that it's quite fat, so when you want to put it in your bag, it's like a bit thick. Other than that, I have like no complaints. I think I'm really satisfied with the eye color. Are really pigmented. Oops. Yeah, the colors are actually really pigmented. If you look at it, it gives like a space theme, and overall I really like this whole collection of makeup. And special thanks to my boyfriend for buying me this for my 22nd birthday, even though I didn't really look at it, but when I looked at it I felt like I had to share it because it's something that I think it's really nice. A basic makeup with this, I never know, like, you never know what you're gonna do with it. So I'm really happy. And all the colors, I'm so sorry, I put it really badly. Like, I'm not like a makeup guru. Overall, if you ask me to rate it, I would rate it like a 8.5 out of 10. The packaging wise, it's really good. Everything else is just okay. Like, eye palette is like 10 out of 10. I really like the details and every little things about it. I love it. Thanks for sticking by, and I hope that this video actually gives you a rough idea of how this makeup collection looks like. Thank you for some of your love and support. Thank you for some of your love and support, and I will see you guys next time.